welcome back to my channel. So today in this video you are going to learn about different units of measurement, what are the different units of measurement and the trick to remember the measurement in a proper sequence. So let's go ahead. Let's take a very basic thing, that is water. Starting from a water till a very big thing like a place or destination, every single thing needs measurement. Whenever we visit a shop for a bottle of water, we ask the shopkeeper to give us 1 liter or let's say 5 liter bottle of water, right? And if we wish to visit any particular place, we first find how much is the distance of that place from our house. So every single thing needs a measurement. So basically measurements are categorized into various types. But today we are going to talk about only three basic types of measurement. First one is the length, another is the weight, and the third one is the capacity. Now what is length? Length talks about how long a particular thing is. Weight talks about how heavy a particular thing is. And capacity talks about how much space a dry or a liquid thing occupies. Okay, so these are the main category of measurement which we make use of in our daily life. So if we are talking about length, the main units which we make use of in length are meter, centimeter, kilometer, right? In weight we make use of kg, grams, okay, and in capacity we mostly make use of liter and milliliter. These are the very commonly used units of measurement which we make use in our daily life. But yes, there are many other units of measurement under length, weight and capacity which we are going to learn today. Now the various other units of measurements are kilo, hecto, deca, then deci, milli and centi. These are the various other units of measurement which are used for measuring. So here you people must be wondering, or you must have seen in the syllabus these all things are there and it is very difficult for you to remember those things, right? So don't worry, today I will be helping you with a tip or a trick to remember those units properly in a proper sequence. So these are the basic units, main units of measurement, that is kilo, hecto, deca unit, that is a basic unit, deci, centi and milli. Okay, means what? Under this comes all the other unit. Now you must be wondering, I said I was talking about length, weight and capacity. Where are those? Meter, kilometer and all, right? So that it is present over here only. Basic units means meter. As per length it will be meter. As per weight it will be gram. And for capacity it will be liter. So these are the basic unit. Okay, you can see this is a midpoint. Okay, middle. Okay, so now over here if I am talking about length, so it will be kilometer. You will just add this term first, hectometer and decameter. Like that over here it will be decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Like that for weight, as per weight it will be kilogram, hectogram, decagram, then decigram, centigram and milligram. And as per capacity it will be kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, deciliter and centiliter and milliliter. Understood? Now where all this units of measurement were coming from? So this is the base. This is the how the pattern is. This is the sequence, the way through which we have to remember the measurement, unit of measurements. Okay. Now I will be sharing the trick to remember this. Okay. Before that, I will just explain you the details, like how to find, like you have the conversions. For example, how much is 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter, how much is 1 kg is equal to how much gram, right? These all questions are there and you end up forgetting how to remember this. So I will show you what is the actual actual theory behind it. Okay, so that you don't have to remember it anything. Now here remember that the difference between two units will be of tens. Any two unit means not any two. I'll not say that kilometer and deca the difference is only of tens. No, immediate units like kilo and hectare it will be 10, of hectare and deca it will be tens, deca and basic unit will be tens, tens, tens and tens. Now when I am talking about difference, that doesn't mean I am going to make use of subtraction. No. Here remember, whenever it comes up to conversion of unit, when the word conversion comes, remember we are going to make use of only two basic operation. First is the multiplication, second is the division. Okay, so here when I am talking about difference is of tens, that means I am going to do multiplication. Means what? Okay, remember this rule. Okay, this is the first rule. Whenever a conversion is from left to right, whenever the conversion is from left to right, you are going to make use of the operation that is multiplication. Means what? If I am asked the question of conversion of 1 kilometer to 1 kilometer is equal to how many hectometer? Now that is the question. Let's read. What did I say? That when the conversion is from left to right, from kilometer, that is on the left hand side it is going to hectometer, you are going to make use of a operation which is multiplication. Now see how much is the distance? Only one. Okay, one is the distance. That means how many tens are coming, you will check. How many tens are coming? Only one 10 is coming. So I will multiply this 1 by 10, which will give me answer as 10. Okay, so what is the rule I said? If the conversion is from left to right, you will make use of multiplication. Okay, whenever the conversion is from left to right, you will make use of a operation which is multiplication. Means what? Still not clear, right? So don't worry, I am there. Let's take randomly, okay? Let's take, I want to do the conversion of 1 meter. I want to know how many decimeter it will be. Okay. So first check how much it is. From meter, that is a basic unit. Remember, from basic unit I am going to deci. From left to right I am jumping. How many? Only one step I am taking. Only 110 I am passing through. Right? So the answer will be 10. Understood little bit? Okay. Now I'll take a little bit question. Let's take, I want to know how much is 1 hectometer is equal to how many meter? I am jumping from hecto, I am jumping directly to basic unit, which is meter. So from hecto to hectometer to meter, check how many steps I am taking. That is how many tens I am passing through. So this is the first 10 and this is the another 10. So basically how many steps I am taking? 2 steps, which is covering 2 tens. So 2 tens means which operation I said first? I am going from left to right, means I am going to multiply. So 10 into 10 I will do. 10 into 10 gives you nothing but 100. So 1 hectometer is going to be 100 meter. That's it. This is the only logic you have to apply, nothing else. Okay. If you are taking one step, if your unit is the next immediate unit, if your question is such like from hecto to deca or deca to basic unit or basic unit to deci, only one step you are taking, then you are going to multiply by 10. If you are taking 2 units, 2 steps, you are going to multiply by 100. If you are taking 3, then what it will be? Let's check. Okay, now we did lot of length one, we will go for the weight one. Okay, if I am asked what is 1 gram is equal to how many milligram? How many milligram? Gram is over here, this is the basic unit, right? From gram I am going to milligram over here. So one step, second step, third step. How many tens I am covering? I am covering 3 tens. Means what I am going to do? I am going to multiply 10 into 10 into 10, which will give me answer is what? 1000. So my answer will be 1 gram is equal to 1000 milliliter. So with this you will be able to remember the conversion. Now this is when I am going for the conversion from left to right. What when the conversion is from right to left? Well, the steps remain same, only this operation changes. That is, if the conversion is going from right to left, then I will make use of a operation which is division. Done. The remaining steps remain same. If I am taking one step, I will multiply by 10. If I am taking 2 steps, I will multiply by 100. If I am taking 3 steps, I will multiply by 1000. Let's take an example. Let's see, if I want to know how much is 5000 meter is equal to how much hectometer. From meter, which is a basic unit, I am coming to hecto. So one step, second step, right? So how many tens I am covering? I am covering 2 tens. Means what am I going to do? I am going to do basically 5000 divided by 100. Why? Because I am taking 2 steps. I am covering 2 tens. So 5000 divided by 100 will be how much? 50. So 5000 meter is equal to 15 hectometer. That's it. Okay. Now same logic we will apply again. From, let's take milliliter. We will go for a capacity. Okay. So I will take, if I am taking 7000 milliliter and I want to find how many liter it is. From right hand side, milliliter, I am jumping to the basic unit which is liter. So from milliliter to liter, I will see, first is to check from left to right it is going or right to left it is going. From right to left it is going. Means I have to make sure that it is a division which I am going to make use. Okay. So milliliter to liter I am coming. So how many steps? Second will be to check how many steps it is coming. 1, 2, 3. How many steps? 3 steps. Means what am I going to divide 7000 with? 7000 I am going to divide with 1000. And when I divide that, I will get answer as 7. So this is how we do the conversion. Now coming to the main part of the video, that is a trick to remember the sequence. We understood the conversion. We understood that when we are going from left to right, we have to make use of the operation which is multiplication, and when we are going from right to left, we make use of a division. We are good with it. Now how to remember this sequence, that is the main thing, right? Don't worry, it is very easy. There is a statement with the help of which you will definitely remember this. So the trick goes, to remember the sequence, the trick goes like, for kilo, that is K, there is a word known as K. For hecto, it is Henry. For D, it is Died. For basic unit, we have 3 basic unit, which is M, that is meter, gram, G, L for liter. So for those it will be mother, granny, lady. And mother, granny, lady, didn't for deci, cry for centi, much for milli. So the statement goes like, King Henry died, mother, granny didn't cry much. So you just have to remember this statement. This is just a statement, this is just a small trick with the help of which you will be able to remember the whole sequence properly without missing any single letter. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then please share it with your friends, especially those who find this topic very difficult. And yes, do like my video and come back for my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.